What is up, investors? Jason here. So we have some news to talk about in the crypto space, Biden's new crypto bill, U.S. inflation, things like that. But we really need to do a technical analysis of what's going on over in the crypto market. We got some interesting things happening with the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which we're seeing these patterns here. These can be very bullish patterns that we're seeing, and also looking over at what the altcoins are doing. Looking over at Terra Luna, which is showing another big rally going on at this moment. So some things to pay attention to in the crypto space. We have a lot of great things to get to. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Help spread the video to more people that might find it interesting. Subscribe if you've not already, and follow me on other platforms where I do broadcast on Spotify in video format as well. Now let's get to it. So we've seen the crypto fear and greed index move a little bit, in the right direction. It's currently sitting over in fear, which is better than being in extreme fear. So that's good to know. Okay, so let's go on over to Biden's crypto bill here. So this is from CNBC. So the measures announced Wednesday will focus on 6 key areas. That is consumer and investor protection, financial stability, illicit activity, which that is a concern within crypto, of course. U.S. competitiveness on a global stage. We know that we're definitely competing with China on this. Financial inclusion and responsible innovation, which that is another big area for crypto, is responsible innovation. Now, they're really looking out to protect consumers. We do know how many crypto scams there are out there, and that a lot of investors do fall victim to those. And there's a lot of people that are influencers that do push these things as well. If you follow CoffeeZilla, he's always got somebody that he's talking about that are running some sort of crypto scam out there. And they're also focusing on things like cyber attacks on exchanges or users themselves. And the Biden administration is calling on the Treasury to assess the developed policy recommendation on crypto. It also wants regulators to ensure sufficient oversight and safeguard against any systemic financial risk posed by digital assets. Now, this article does talk about stablecoins, which if I had money in stablecoins like Tether and USD coin, I would use caution at this moment by reading about what that might be something that would be regulated. It says in here that these digital tokens are meant to be pegged to the value of existing currencies like the United States dollar. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin with $80 billion in circulation, has attracted the area of regulators over claims its token is not sufficiently backed by dollars held in reserve. And that's been something that a lot of people have been talking about. Tether says its coin is fully backed. However, the markup of its reserve includes short-term debt, obligations like commercial paper, not just cash. So those are some of the flags that have been raised with Tether. And that's also not any sort of new news, though. We've been hearing about that, and there's plenty of videos out there that have been made talking specifically about that subject. Now, as far as the United States having its own digital currency, it says that Biden isn't saying whether the United States should launch its own digital currency. Rather, he's calling on the government to place urgency on research and development of potential CBDC. Now, it says while a CBDC, a central bank digital currency, could rapidly speed up settlement of payments, policymakers are evaluating a number of issues around financial stability and privacy. Now, the bullish movement, though, within the crypto market from Biden's crypto bill to what we're seeing now after this is just nothing but red across the board on the crypto market. We have all the cryptocurrencies, for the most part, in the red at this moment, and this is actually due to inflation fears. This article here from Fortune.com, Bitcoin bust, inflation fears send cryptocurrencies tumbling. Now, it says that a massive spike in inflation in February and the ongoing war in Ukraine are the primary reasons for the drop. Food and energy costs led prices up 7.9% last month, the biggest increase in over 40 years. Markets are also scaling back as Russia's invasion of Ukraine is expected to result in a recession across Europe, with inflation expected to increase sharply in the region as well. Now, that Also tumbled stocks as well. It wasn't just crypto, of course, where we have the S&P down nearly 2%, the Vanguard total index down about 1% at this moment. But we have a lot of red all throughout the entire stock market. Now, luckily, though, we're seeing a slower inflation rate with the price of Bitcoin. Now, this is Raphael Schultz-Kraft, the co-founder of Glassnode. Now, he's saying that the inflation rate of Bitcoin is currently sitting at 1.7% and continues to follow its pre-programmed, fully predictable downward trajectory, and then shows it here in this graph. So that's really good for Bitcoin, actually, that Bitcoin is just doing what it's supposed to be doing. All right, now on into the technicals here. Currently, Bitcoin is priced at $39,450, and what we can see is that the price of Bitcoin over these last few weeks here, well, we've just been seeing the price, move along in this symmetrical flag pattern, and this is very bullish, of course, and this could mean that we could be seeing with this consolidation, we could possibly be seeing the price of Bitcoin, having a bit of a breakout. Now, looking at the estimated moving average of Bitcoin, we currently are seeing that the estimated moving average is about $40,000 is where it's been trending along here too. And the thing is that as it continues to consolidate, I wouldn't be surprised as we continue to consolidate more and more around this $40,000 price that we wouldn't see the price of Bitcoin having its breakout here very soon, within a few days, even as we're seeing this pattern, get smaller and smaller consolidation. And I think that this could be something that we could possibly be seeing as we do have some good bullish news out there. Now, looking over at Ethereum's also doing a very similar thing. If we look at we follow the estimated moving average of Ethereum, we're seeing the price of Ethereum sitting at about $2,750 around there. So we're seeing, of course, Ethereum trend down a little bit, but the estimated moving average still kind of has it at a bit more of a flat line type scenario. So these are things to definitely be paying attention to with what's going on. And if Ethereum is going to continue to consolidate, this could also be, more bullish news for crypto. And looking over at the altcoins, I mean, we have a lot of bullish things going on with altcoins. Now, not a lot of them are really doing a whole lot right now, but we do still have patterns, of course, with Cardano even, consolidating a lot, even though we've been seeing the price of Cardano trending down, we have been seeing a lot of this consolidation within Cardano. But what I'd really like to look at is what Luna is doing. Now, Terra Luna is the crypto that has been breaking out here, looking at where it was back in mid-February, where we were seeing it at about $50. And now we're seeing the price at $100. So this one has really been moving a lot lately. Now, currently, Terra Luna is the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, with a market cap of more than $36 billion. So this one's been making some big moves, especially over these last 7 days, where it's up 11.5%. So some big moves with Terra Luna going on, which this is one I'm going to have to make a follow-up video and cover mostly just that one alone. But anyways, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions on what's going on over in the crypto market right now. What do you guys think about the whole Biden crypto bill? And what do you guys think about the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum consolidating? Do you guys think that we could be due for a good breakout within the whole crypto market? Let me know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming all the time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, coming very soon.